how to remove the background of a photo in Canva. So to do this, first you need to have a subscription fee, monthly subscription fee, or the annual fee. That's the only way you can remove background. So now let me show you how you do this. Click on Elements, and now let's find something like cat. Cats, who doesn't love a cat, right? And let's find something with a background. I really like this one here. Let's click on it. Okay, now we have the photo over here. So whenever you click on the photo, it will automatically appear up here. As you can see, we have it up here. BG remover. This BG stands for background remover. Now, as we press, it will start to load and it removes the background, and we can put it over here. Now, this feature is very cool because you don't have to remove the background of this. For example, let me click on this photo here. Now, look at this photo here. If I click background remover, it removes the background. Now, what if I want to change the first photo? I can just drag this here and put it here, and it will automatically remove the background. As you can see, that's how you remove the background of a photo. So thanks for watching, and remember to always learn something new every day.